Hello, viewers. This is Dr. Rajalakshmi, Associate Professor from Computer Science and Engineering Department of RMD Engineering College. Welcome to today's session on Java Regular Expression. Java Regular Expression is an API to define a pattern for searching or manipulating strings. It is widely used to define the constraint on strings such as password and email validation. Regular expression describes a pattern of text. We can test whether a string matches the expression's pattern. We can use regular expression to search or replace characters in a string. Actually, it's a very powerful tool. Regular expression occurs in many places like text editors, languages like JavaScript, and shell commands like grep, sed, find, and etc. Java Regular Expression API provides one interface and three classes in java.util.regularExpression package. Match result is the interface. Matcher, pattern, and pattern syntax exception are the classes available in the package java.util.regularExpression. Now let's see about the matcher class. Matcher class, it implements the match result interface. It is a regular expression engine which is used to perform match operations on a character sequence. Let's see the methods available in the matcher class. The first method is the matches method. It tests whether the regular expression matches the pattern. And the next method is find method. It finds the next expression that matches the pattern. Then one more variation of find method is available. It finds the next expression that matches the pattern from the given start number. Group method, it returns the matched subsequence. Then start method returns the starting index of the matched subsequence. End method returns the ending index of the matched subsequence. Group count method returns the total number of the matched subsequences. Now let's see about the pattern class. Actually, it is a compiled version of the regular expression. It is used to define a pattern for the regular expression. The following are the methods available in the pattern class. The very first method is the compile method. It compiles the given regular expression and returns the instance of the pattern. Matcher method creates a matcher that matches the given input with the pattern. Matches method works as the combination of the compile and matcher methods. It compiles the regular expression and matches the given input with the pattern. Split method, it splits the given input string around matches of the given pattern. The next method is pattern method. It returns the regular expression pattern. Now, let's see about regular expression character classes. These are the various character classes available. The first character class within square bracket, we have three characters A, B, and C. It means that A, B, or C. It's a simple class. Then the cap operator is the negation operator. The second regular expression, cap ABC within square bracket, it represents any character except A, B, or C. The third one is A to B and capital A to Z. Actually, it represents A through Z, smaller case letters, or uppercase letters from A through Z, inclusively both the ranges. It represents the range. Then the fourth one, it represents A through D or M through P. It is a union operation. Then the fifth one, it represents intersection. Okay, so intersection in between A through Z and D, E, F. So it represents D, E, or F. Then sixth one represents A through Z except for B and C. So this is also similar to subtraction operation. Then the last one is A through Z but not M through P. So this is also similar to subtraction. So these are the various character classes available. Now let's see about the regular expression quantifiers. The quantifiers specify the number of occurrences of a character. Here, the first quantifier is question mark. Here it represents X occurs once or not at all. Question mark means the particular character occurs once or not at all. Then the next quantifier is plus. Okay. It represents once or more times, one or more times. X occurs one or more times. Then the next one is asterisk. Here, the meaning of this asterisk is X occurs 0 or more times. Then, within flower bracket, we have a number n. Here, it means that X occurs n times only, exactly n times only. Then, the next one is we have within flower bracket, we have n, comma. Here X occurs n or more times. N number of times or n or more number of times. Then the last one is within flower bracket we have y comma z, where y and z are the numbers. Here it represents X occurs at least y times but less than z times. Next, let's see about regular expression meta characters. The regular expression meta characters works as short quotes. The very first meta character is dot. It represents any character may or may not match. Then backslash d, it represents any digits 0 to 9. Backslash capital D represents any non-digit. Its short form is cap 0 to 9. Backslash is, it represents any white space character. So it's short, it is the short form of this expression. Any white space. That means it may be a tab, it may be a new line character. So this backslash S is the short form of this expression. Then backslash capital S, this represents any non-white space character. So this is the short form of cap backslash small s. Then the next meta character is backslash W. Here it represents any word character. This is the short form of this regular expression. A through small case A through Z, uppercase A through Z, underscore and 0 to 9. Then the next regular expressions meta character is backslash capital W. Here it represents any non-word character. It is the short form of this expression. Backslash B is a word boundary. Backslash capital B is the non-word boundary. Now, let's see example program for regular expression using regular expression. Here, we are defining a regular expression using the character classes. Inside this character class, we have three characters, A, M, and N. And this is the input. A, B, C, and D is the input. Here, A, B, C, D is not matching with A, M, N. So it will be returning a false value. Then the next one is the character class is containing three characters, A, M, and N. And input is M, A. Since A is available, it is matched with this pattern. It is returning true value. Then the third example, character class is containing three characters, A, M, and N. And the input is containing A followed by three M's, one N, and one A. But it is false. It will be returning false because M and N comes more than once. The second example, here we are creating a regular expression that accepts alphanumeric characters only. Its length must be 6 characters long only. This is what is the condition for the regular expression. For this, we have defined a regular expression. Okay, so A through Z and the uppercase A through Z and 0 to 9. And what must be the count? 6 must be the count. And this is what is the regular expression we have defined for the pattern. And this is what is the input. RN32 is the input. Now it is it is satisfying the condition of this pattern. It is matched with this pattern. So it is returning a true value. Then the next one is, here this is the pattern we have defined, and this is what is the input we have given, but it is returning false because more than 6 number of characters are available here. Then this is the pattern, and to this pattern, this input we are giving. So this input JA2 UK2, it is satisfied with this pattern. It is matched with this pattern. So it is returning a true value. Then the next one is, this is what is the pattern, and the input is $2. Here it is returning false because dollar is not matched. Thank you guys.